for our sweet delights. Today I have bought another cake recipe for all of you, and like always this cake recipe is eggless and without oven. Today I am going to show you how to make eggless strawberry cake. So let's see the recipe. Let's see the ingredients for this eggless strawberry cake. Here we have all-purpose flour. This is 3/4 cup. Then 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Milk, 1/2 cup. This is butter at room temperature, and I have taken here salted butter. You can also make use of unsalted butter, but if you use unsalted butter, you need to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to your recipe. Since here it is salted, we are not going to use salt. This is strawberry crush, and this is 1/4 cup. This will give nice flavor to our cake. This will give the required strawberry flavor as well as the color. And if you don't have this, you can make use of strawberry jam, or you can crush strawberries into a mixie and then you can use the pulp. But you need to increase the sugar then if you are using raw strawberries, the strawberry fruits, because this crush has sugar in it. And here is baking soda 1/4 teaspoon and baking powder 1 teaspoon. First we will just sift our flour. I have added maida or all-purpose flour to the sieve. In that we'll add baking powder and baking soda, and we will just sift it. You can see here I have just lined up a rectangular cake tin with butter paper. You can also grease it with little butter. Now here to a bowl we will mix our other ingredients. First we'll add this butter. This is soft butter, you can see. Don't use melted butter. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. And to this we will add powdered sugar. And we will just screen this both together. You can make use of whisk, but I am doing it with a spoon. Mix it until you get a creamy texture. You can see the mixture, it's nice, light and fluffy. You can see. And now to this we'll be adding our strawberry crush. We will just mix this together. And to this you can also add strawberry essence, but the crush which I am using is very good in flavor and smell as well, so I am not adding any essence to it. You can see how nice color we have got. If you feel you can add color, but I feel this crush will give nice pink color to our cake. Now to this we will be adding our dry flour. We will add our dry flour in batches, and we will mix it well. We feel the mixture too dry, so we'll be adding milk to it. Milk also don't add all at a time. First I added 1/4 cup, and we will just mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Again I'll be adding remaining milk, and again we will just mix our batter very well. Batter is ready, and you can also see the consistency of the batter. It is of dropping consistency, not too runny also. And I'm getting a nice smell of strawberry. And now we'll just pour this batter in our greased cake tin. I'll just pour it. I'll just give a gentle tap, and now we will just keep this for baking. You can bake it in oven for 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes, 20 minutes initially, but right now we are going to bake it without oven. We have preheated our vessel, and I'll just take out the lid, and I'll just place this cake tin inside. And we will cover this again and we will bake it for 30 minutes on very low flame. It's been total 30 minutes now, and we will just open and we will check. You can see our cake has rised well. We'll just do little close up for you. We will just insert the skewer and we will check. You can see the skewer has come out clean and our cake is done perfectly. You can also see the color. And now I'm just going to take out this cake tin and we will let it cool for some time. It is slightly cooled and I'll just unmold it and I'll show you. Since we added this, it will come out easily. I'll just place a plate and I'll just, you can see how easily it got unmolded because of this butter paper, and gently we'll just take out the butter paper. And again I'll just tilt it. You can see how nice and spongy cake we have got. I'll just cut it into pieces and I'll just show you. We'll be cutting it into slices. You can see the slices, how spongy and fluffy our cake is. Just do give it a try. And it's very easy and basic cake, and strawberry flavor just tastes good. You can decorate it with some whipping cream and fresh strawberries. Right now I'm going to make another recipe using this cake, so I am not decorating it. Here, if you want the color to be more pink, you can add some edible food color, but I've kept it natural.